Alright, the greater omentum is the stuff we took out of that was from here, and it's like the covering of the small intestine. It's like the apron of it. The liver is this thing. See it? This is the liver right there. Huh?
Count it.
Oh yeah. The lobes, 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lobes. The stomach is this right here. We had to cut into it. The pyloric sphincter is at like the bottom of the stomach, which would be over here is the pyloric sphincter. The duodenum is this. It's part of the intestine, the small intestine. The ileum would be down here, which is at the end of the small intestine. The mesentery is this white stuff that's on the intestine. Lesser omentum is the stuff up here that's like attaching to the liver. The cecum is right here. It's the starting of the large intestine. Pancreas is this right here, kind of like wraps around down there. That's the pancreas. The bladder is down here, that thing. The visceral peritoneum is like the covering of the intestines. It's kind of like this white, like clear thing. It kind of covers all over. The diaphragm is this. We cut it, all of it over here, but this is the diaphragm and it would go over all the intestines. The gallbladder is in the liver, and it is right here. That is the gallbladder. The cardiac sphincter is kind of like at the top of the stomach. So it is up here in this area. The pyloric is down here and the cardiac is up here. The rugae are the folds in the stomach, and I don't know if you can really see them, but like down in here there are folds way down there. You can see it. They're folds which are called the rugae. Then you have the jejunum, which is the second part of the duodenum, or second part of the small intestine. This is the duodenum. These are like the jejunum, which is in the middle, and then I said the ileum is at the end. The ileocecal sphincter is in the duodenum, and it is this thing right there. It's like a hole. That's where stuff comes out of the small intestine and comes into the large intestine. Then you have the spleen, which is right here. Big thing is the spleen. The kidneys would be like this blue thing on this side, and get it. And this blue one right there, you can kind of see a little blue. Those are the kidneys. Then the parietal peritoneum is this white stuff, which is the covering.
The abdominal cavity.
The what?
The covering of the abdominal cavity.
Yeah, the covering of the abdominal cavity, which covers that. That's the parietal peritoneum. That's it.